Hello again, it's Noob, and well, this is just one of those eBay purchases I just couldn't resist. Papaiz locks are a Brazilian brand, although this one is made in Taiwan for Papaiz, and we don't see a lot of them here in the UK. And I saw this on eBay, and it was like so cheap, and it was new in packet, and came with its own free shims, which is nice. If you don't know the reference, you can use the metal inserts in these as shims for gutting locks. And it just kind of looked kind of cute, and I thought we'd have a go at an out of the pack decode, really. So let's give that a go. I don't think I've ever tried one of those before. I'm assuming that it isn't too hard to decode, but you never know with these things. Is that going to be enough sides to allow me in? Yeah, pretty much, more or less, give or take. There we go. Right, I'm just going to have a look at the old instructions on the inside, just to make sure that we know how to A, unlock it, and B, change the code if we can. I'm assuming we can. So it seems to be set on, yeah, all zeros at the moment. Lock it up. Yeah, all seems to be legitimate. Okay. I should put that over here for now. And let's have a look at the old instructions. How do you change the code? You would lift it up like that. Let's just change it by one number to begin with. Lift it up. You would turn it to that side where it has the little notch down the keyway. You press it in. You change it to something. So let's change it to 900. Release, put it back in, and then turn it back to where it was before, and it's locked. Okay, so that actually works quite well. So turn it back to 9, and it opens. Okay, so let's then. I've got this lockable money bag, and that's going to be a pretty good place to turn this lock. Just make sure I've got it to the right side. That's it. To one side. Press in. We'll scramble up those numbers, and I'm going to try to make sure that they all are in a notch, not a gate, but something which feels like it's in a number, not halfway between. I'm going to let go. I'm going to pull that shackle round, put it in. It has been successful, so that's good. And then I'm just going to scramble up those numbers and keep going, and we're fully locked. Okay, so decoding this. I think I can, so, oh, that's firm, that's looser, so I'm just going to, okay, I felt something there, and felt something there, definitely felt something there. That feels very loose. And there, which means I think we've got the last number to go. And we have. So it was 273. Yeah, 273. So there we go. So it wasn't particularly hard. There's no false gates in this one. You just sort of get it into some positions. Keep going through, feeling the binding wheel, and back to all zeros. So, I mean, I don't really know what this lock's for. It kind of looks pretty, I guess, isn't it? You know, I'm not sure what you'd put it on. It's very low security. I mean, regardless of the fact that you can decode it without ever having seen or felt the lock before, I guess isn't really that unusual, but it doesn't have the mark of an expensive high security lock. But then again, it's quite nicely made. It's got that nice sort of, well, it looks like it's milled logo in there. It's not horrible, is it? You know, all in all, I just don't know what you'd use it for with such a small, like 4mm shackle. I mean, it's yeah. I mean, I just don't know. It's so low security, but it's a kind of nice little object, isn't it? Anyway, hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll see you all next time.